Hello. Uh, Electricity just came back. I'm like working from my desktop, so it's very like power limited due to the UPS, right? So I'll be waiting for people. Maybe they can just rejoin. Uh, Maybe I can create a poll right now. Correct. All right. Maybe I can just uh, okay. Terminal. Let me just open. Okay, what are you doing? Hello, Ogi. Welcome to the stream. I'm just creating a front end for my backend that's written in Rust. So yeah, I thought to do it like end to end. I did a backend, but I wanted a front end for it. So alright, so it's a login, right? We are at login. So the issue that we are facing is we are not able to save the cookie. So I mean, let's do that. Register. No, let's go on route. What type of coding is this? By CP करते हो क्या? No. Kaizen, no. What type of coding is this? Nothing. It's in React and TypeScript. Guys, please opt for the polls and make sure to like this stream. I would really be motivated and that will be helpful to me. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's go. So if I do maybe for now, let's say I do this, and if I log in and do ये क्या है? User logged in. Let's see, do we get no cookies? I want to save cookies, right? So if I go over here and check for storage, I cannot see a cookie. I should see a cookie. Do I need to define like dot secure false HTTP only? भाई ये क्या है, कोडिंग है क्या? Yes sir, yes sir. So if I check my request, I don't have a set cookie header, right? I don't have a set cookie header. I mean on the response header I am not having a set cookie header. So if my response doesn't have a set cookie header, it means it's basically a same site or secure error, but I did a secure false. So let's see if we get it again. Let me log in it. Now if I open it, I still don't have a set cookie, and on the cookie I cannot see anything. So this thing, right? Maybe over here, if I go to API, let me just do this thing. So API client, I'm using an Axios, right? So I have API. So if I go on the top, I can see my Axios config, right? So if I go inside it, with credential is true, with credential is true. But I did that, didn't I? With credential as true. रेक सेकंड स्क्रीन पे चैट जीपीटी कर रहे हो ना? नहीं यार, गूगल कर रहा था। विदाक, जॉब कॉल नहीं आ रहे यार। हाँ यार, मार्केट इज़, आपको क्या लगता है ARS डेवलपर की जॉब ले सकता है रैक? आई डोंट नो। भाई कौन सा ऐप कोडिंग कर रहे हो? फ्रंट एंड फॉर माई रस्ट बैकएंड। जॉब कॉल नहीं आ रहे यार। व्हाट लैंग्वेज इज़ दिस? इट इज़ रिएक्ट प्लस टाइपस्क्रिप्ट। मयूर गमित, हाय हाय। GraphQL, no, no. Guys, please opt for the polls that you are watching here. I really appreciate you guys coming on the chat, but I'm not doing chat GPT on the second screen. I did my first merge used site after sign up network or server error. Bhai, I did my first merge user side used site after sign up network or server error. Can you please be more specific? The vibes. No, I should check nvim version web app code. Great. So clip, maybe this could help. let's see if I can just I don't have this thing. Let me refresh this thing. My chat is not loading right now, so I have to refresh the page. I just came live a few minutes back. But electricity just went and I'm on my UPS and it just went out, so I have to restart this live. मर्न स्टैक की जॉब अवेलेबल है मार्केट में. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू थिंक. आर यू अप्लाइंग फॉर मर्न स्टैक? कौन से सिटी में हो? उत्तराखंड, रुद्रपुर. आफ्टर इनपुट टू साइन इन पेज, it's not registered successfully. It's showing a network error. After input to sign in, what is the error? The vibes. Add this to your Axios config. Axios default errors common X requested with XML HTTP request. Arpit Nakrani, try code Claude. Try code Claude. Code Claude. Okay. I mean, I can, of course, but hello Christian. Guys, please opt for the polls that you can see on your screen. That would be good, and make sure to like this stream. I just it was a good stream going on earlier, but it just went. Electricity just went and I just lost that thing. So the उत्तराखंड में IT कंपनी है. I don't know. I'm just doing a remote job from here. Yo. What if I do? Maybe this could add to the register. Now I just need to okay. If I go here, I did a support credentials as well. On the headers, I did this authorization, accept, content type. All right. I'm getting an error, so I think I need to do Yeah. Okay. Same site. Path. But if I do only this thing, like on the array, yeah, this is what the hell? It's fucking silly. You know what I've been doing from from this dude? This is crazy. I mean, I should not be like pretty much celebrate right now because I'm not sure if this is going to be happen or not, but I think I should say what the hell, man, what the hell. You know what, maybe I should just copy this from here, and on the token over here I'll just paste it. Now let's see what happens. I just need to do cookie just over here. Let me take some chat. Okay, guys, come on, off for the polls. पहले जॉब करो फिर पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट में फिर से मैनुअली, पहले जॉब करो फिर पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट में फिर से कोडिंग करो, मेंटली एग्जॉस्ट नहीं हो जाते? नहीं. Hello Vodna, welcome on the chat. I'm just coding front-end for my backend that I created in Rust. Crossing life, masterful, excellent, thank you for your kind words. Will the server do batch processing, handle jobs, or just process by single? It will do batch processing, sir. It's an async. The Actix web that I'm using, it's built on top of Tokyo, so it will handle the async processes. So yes, it can handle multiple process like request. Guys, come on. Yep, Tokyo mentioned. Yes, Gaurav on the project wanted to see the UI. Alrighty, let me just check. UI is pretty much simple. I just was like explaining how you can add, I mean what you're building, run the project here. So Redden, like this UI is pretty much simple because I was just explaining how you can make an connection with the backend, and also how to manage that jot token that will be generated from the backend, and where should you store it, how you can use it to check if the user is already logged in or not. So yeah, charming the mind. Hello. Is the editor VS Code or NeoVim, Rahul? Right, I'll be most happy today if you could resolve the bug. Yes, I'll I'll be too. I'll be happy to. It gets very embarrassing if you can't. No, it's not that Rust CRUD. The Rust is on backend. Currently what you are seeing on your screen is React and TypeScript. What tools are you using for front end? I'm using React, TypeScript for state management using Redux toolkit. And the React router for navigation, and Material UI for the UI components. Yes, Rahul, thank you. CRUD Rust is my backend, and this is the front end that you are saying. So now let me just see how will the, so it's like this. Who was asking it? What UI toolkit? I'm using Material UI. Yeah, I know there is no better feeling when you resolve the bug after search. Yep. I'm not scroll still code in assembler. No, my god. All hail the big guy. Big raise. Noise. So this is it. If I do this, this is the landing page. As you can see, I have like login register over here. If I click on register, you will see this screen. And if I do login over here, you'll see this screen. Now let's see if we are able to save the cookie. Let me just validate few things. HTTP only. Okay, maybe I should try it with strict. Have you tried using Claude 4 for coding? How does it affect front end coding? I have used Claude for coding, yes. For front end only, yes, because I am not very fond of writing CSS HTML, so I did that. It is good, but always if you are skilled, then you can always optimize. If you are not, then you are going to be in a very bad condition after if you follow Claude or any tool, Gemini or ChatGPT. So I mean, if you know something, then it's good. You can take help of like AI. But if you are not aware, then it is going to be a hell at some point of the time. Amazing, guys, come on, give it a like and opt for the polls you can see on your screen right now. And from tomorrow we are going to start a series on Rust. So yep, Rahul. Aditya, hey bro, can you suggest me some free model for image recognition project? I don't know, man, I don't know. Cookie security issue, missing security attribute, line 5, HTTP only, true, good, prevent access. Yeah, HTTP, so the cookie should be saved on HTTP only, and in the cookies, not in local storage, never nothing. So token should be on there. So I already dealt with like this jot token in my previous streams, so I did that. Line same side, no, I removed that. I did strict. This is for registration, I'm just checking it. So I'll of course strict should be there for a maximum security. I was just checking. Yep, correct. प्रथम कौन सा फ्रेमवर्क है सर? फॉर बैकएंड इट्स एक्टिक्स वेब फ्रेमवर्क. Yep. Come on, guys, do the polls that you can see on your screen, and if there is any problem with this stream, feel free to come on chat. I'll be happily taking that. Also, if you want to see the code that I'm working on currently, let me just put my GitHub URL. Let me pin it. Maybe you guys can explore the account and follow me there as well. Line 9 to our short duration is good, but consider it too if but consider if 2 hours is appropriate. Yes. So I'm planning to create a kind of a checker API that will validate, but again I'm using so let me just show you. Alrighty, main. What the hell, man? Yeah, so I have kind of created this auth request middleware. So if I go inside it, you can see I am validating the jot on each request. Basically it will validate a request for its integrity. So this way so earlier I was thinking to create a separate API endpoint that will check, but again I think this is good. Any API that I hit from the front end, it will just validate it and return the unauthorized in case of if the token is expired or something. It will validate the token and all. Okay, so let's see if I can get a token. Let's hope I can get okay, all right, let me check the storage. So it should be stored here. Let's hope so. We are having an error. It's in cookie has been rejected. So I think that's a good error to have, right? Earlier we were not having this error, so it means now this is working. So the issue that I was wondering why this is not happening, because I kind of implemented that thing on registration endpoint, and I was just checking a login endpoint, and I was saying what the hell. Okay, so this is the good error. It's a step up. We can solve this, I hope. Cookie OKIJ has been rejected because it is in a cross-site context and its same site is lax or strict. What does that mean? Is it it is in a cross-site context? What the heck is this cross-site context? Controller. Alright, user login. It says it's in a cross-site context. What does that mean? Should we search this thing? Anyone? Any idea? Has been rejected. Has been rejected for cross-site content. So due to the browser security policies primarily related to same site attribute of cookies. That's what I was thinking. Reason: if your cookie's same site attribute is set to lax, the browser will prevent it from being sent in cross-site request. Now I don't understand why it is a cross-site request. Okay, because the domain is changed, is it? So I think for testing I should do it to same site none. But if you are using a same site none, you should do a secure true, because then it will deal in HTTPS. Charming the mind, welcome. How do you use AI in your project in best efficient way? AI to create documentations, AI to ask for the best practices that needs to be followed, using AI to limit my search in Google instead of reading the article, going through if I'm not learning anything. So I can use AI like that. Ensure your application is served over HTTPS. In my case it's not, it's a local environment. When using same site none for local development, you might temporarily set we can do that. Yes, of course. We have secure false, and for our development we can be we can use this as none. Also here as well we can do none because we are on development. So I did none because of that only, because But again, if this thing is deployed, then of course the secure should be true. It should be served on HTTPS, and the same site should be strict. That is highly recommended. Okay, but for on the development on our local, we can do this. Otherwise the browser will, it will just rent. Refresh it. Amazing, guys. You know what to do, right? You have to like this stream, and you have to opt for the polls that you can see on your screen. Can you create AI agent with Python? No, sir, I cannot create an AI agent with Python because I am not very well versed in Python. So pinj@gmail.com. 1 2 3. We'll see. Let's check our storage. We should be seeing an entry over here right now, Rahul. So none should be externalized property, so we can change in local and other. Yes. If you are working on local, it will prevent, like we searched, right? It will prevent, the browser will prevent, because it is same side is strict. So in local you can keep it none and the secure to false, and then when you deploy this in production, you always serve it on HTTPS. You do a secure true and the same side to be strict. Bro, where are you from, brother? I'm from India, brother. Where are you from, brother? Guys, come on. There is a poll running on your device. Let's see if we can store cookies. If I do a sign in, show me. I'm getting an error. I'm getting an error. Did I saved it? I did a same site none, HTTP only true, secure false. Now what the hell is this? I'm from India to UP. Noise. Maybe I should keep an eye on network tech app as well. If I do a sign in. Okay, this went through. Now, alright, we have some good thing going on over here. On the response header, I can see a token. I can see this token. Now this token has to be saved on the cookie. I can see the cookie, HTTP only true, path is this, same side none, value this. But when I check my cookie, I cannot see anything. It says it's rejected because it has same site none. Now it has same site none, but it is missing the secure attribute. But we have given the secure attribute, right? Do I need to mark it true? Do I need to mark it true? Building. Yeah, all right. Hopefully, I'm creating a SaaS. Can you suggest me what execute I use? Of course, yes, please. I will suggest you to use React, TypeScript, Tailwind, Node.js. Better. Okay, I think it done, because it's a foreign and does not have partitioned attribute. Will soon be rejected because it is a foreign. I think we have done it. If I see a storage on cookie, no cookie. What the hell? I have a cookie, secure true. Request response, user logged in, headers, I can see header value over here. Hello Kazuya, welcome on the chat. How you doing? Guys, come on, do the polls. That will help me when the stream ends. It says 13% of the people want to learn Rust, 29% of the people are techie but not into Rust, 28% of the people says they are neither a techie nor into Rust programming, and 30% is a yes. So yeah, it's good. Do we have water over here? No. So guys, what are we facing here? Why can't I save this thing? Can we do only this? Secure true, same side none, required when same side is none. So maybe this, it's in Node.js, right? You see why I am using Rust. So the Actix Web provide everything that a Node.js could have. Like, see everything. भाई आदित्य, हेलो आदित्य, मुझे एक ऑनेस्ट आंसर चाहिए. जी बिल्कुल सर, बताइए. कम ऑन आदित्य, आस्क. लेकिन पहले आदित्य आपको ये बोलना है चैट से कि जिन्होंने भी पोल के लिए ऑप्ट नहीं किया हुआ है वो पोल को प्लीज़ 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 ऑप्ट करें. और अगर चैट में, अगर स्ट्रीम में कुछ गड़बड़ है, कुछ पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ गंदा लग रहा है, तो आके बताएं इसमें कि कौन सा लैपटॉप लूँ. बजट 60 से 70, बजट तो आपका गजब का है, तो आप थिंकपैड ले लो, लेनोवो. Superbase, AWS, Firebase, which is good for beginners. AWS, go for it. You will learn a lot. Yeah. Come on guys, we have around 100 people watching, and let's shoot the likes. Come on everyone. I'll be back in a minute guys, just wait. Hello. Screen force cookie. Yes. Okay, bye. Thank you. I have a suggestion कि आप students के लिए content create करो, like how to build project from scratch. Okay. Okay, Aditya. Sure. Thank you. Yes, please. It's okay. Same thing. Okay, now we are getting it, but it's still not stored. If I check this, I cannot see it here. It says soon it will be rejected. If I do a sign in, partition attribute. There you go. We find something. It says HTTP only true, secure true, same side none, path this. You can do this partitioned as well, and instead of this you say okay, so it says you can add so it says I need to set partitioned as well. So let's see if I can get any option of partitioned over here. Doesn't have partition attribute. Secure equals false. Write it in C. Oh, why? Secure equals false. No. If I do same side none, I need to do secure true. False. Yes. Get pool debool. Let manager equal to. What are your thoughts about AI artificial intelligence? Is that I have to? I don't know, man. Everything in AI is is booming right now, so it might be good. I'm using NeoVim. Ashraf, I'm using NeoVim. R2D2. Okay. Seriously? I didn't even have, I think, this thing. I'm just directly picking it up from the env. What are you looking at? QuantQuip. Which file are you checking? I mean, are you checking it from my GitHub? देखो ना cursor or verb, which is good. Didn't used any of them, neither cursor nor verb. Which project are you looking at? Quant. Himanshu, have you tried vibe coding? Vibe coding, Rust backend. Which project? The one that I'm working on, Quant. Have you tried vibe coding? I haven't did fully fully vibe coded app. So no, I haven't tried vibe coding. I just don't understand where it is. I'm from middleware. Nice. Bro, seriously, are you looking at the same thing that I'm working on? Actix CRUD, but I don't have any file. I hope, like db.rs. Pure soul, hello. Good thing. If you need any help to middleware tech, I have no idea what you are saying. Can't quant quip. I'm not sure what you are watching. Arctic CRUD. What that? Arctic CRUD. I have no such thing like that. Indian boy. I'll send PR. What's your profession? Himanshu Gupta. I'm a remote dev. Okay, let me just open my Git. I'm not sure what you're asking about. Git. If I open my repo, I can see Actix CRUD. So if I open it, src, like you said, let me just follow the path you said, right? Src db.rs. I don't have db.rs in src. What are you looking at? Quant. Also, I mean, I didn't have no such line like this R2D2 pool creation. Nothing. I'm using SQLX and I have a Postgres database and I'm just creating a PG pool, Postgres pool connection. That's it. I am not sure what you are looking at. Hey body, I have a question. I am a malware dev beginner and I want an advice from you. Do you think Rust is good for malware dev? Malware dev. I have to look it up. Malware dev. Oh, there is a. Oh my god. Well, thank you for introducing me to this thing. I didn't know that there is such thing. I mean, I cannot suggest you anything because I just introduced to this thing. Beginner. Okay, I want advice from you. What do you think? Okay, so Rust is good for malware dev. Now, if you are asking me generally, I would suggest you like yes, Rust is good for malware dev. Also, any language like CPP as well, because yeah, Rust will be good. So go for it, and good luck on your journey. What I meant to say is I am working in Part-9 government company as a middleware administrator. If any help needed from my side, I'll help out you. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Quant quip. I can see that I don't have any file that you are referring to. Any browser have a session is to do that. Yo, what's up? Square attributes. This docs. What payment system can we use for Next.js? Arctic CRUD. No, it's Actix CRUD. I mean, can you please share the URL that you are currently looking at? I want to see. Are you on my account? What payment system can we use for Next.js? In Next.js project, I mean anything that you can use on any like React project. Stripe. Yes, Actix CRUD. But I cannot see any file that is called db.rs. Also, that R2D2 pool creation that you're asking, I don't have it. So that's why I'm asking. It looks like a completely different pool. I don't have any line that is known as manager or something like that. I'm using SQLX. I fogged 1 sec. Okay. Alright. Okay. Maybe I can provide this thing. Over here on the path I can say is it 5173, right? Localhost port 73. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Bro, do you play CS2 or just code? I played Counter Strike 1.6 and Go. That's it. Million Alex win. Noise. So guys, you'll have to like wait for 5 to 10 minutes. I have to go downstairs for my lunch maybe. So I'll see you back then. Okay, the stream will be running. I will just turn off my camera and mic. Alright, I'll see you later. Hello, I am back. Thank you very much, guys, for waiting. Let's see what's going on chat. What's your profession? I told. What I mean to say, I'm working. Okay. I fogged 1 sec. Okay. Bro, do you play? Okay. I did. I submitted a PR and your co-pilot accepted it. Wow, nice. I wish that your PR is accepted. All right. Let's see. I have got two things. Okay, first of all, yes, I already told yesterday that env should be avoided, but in my case, just to show, I post again database password. Of course. Huh. Yes, thank you for updating the spellings. Okay, SRC main RS updated model template constants, right? ठीक है. High priority credential no longer. Okay. Create a new env. env.sample is good. Updated database credential to see rotate jot encoding key. Verify the application builds. The fix prevents all existing while resolving model import compilation error critical. Correct. All right. No, but I was asking about oh, wait a minute. Yep. So Quant, I was asking about the thing that you are saying about the db.rs r2d2 manager, whatever you are saying. It's all right, whatever you have like written on the this critical security fix plus spelling corrections, that I already updated on my last commit on the last live, that these things that I did should not be committed. We should use env.samples for the developer to know what env variables are used on the env files, but I just did it to show. All right. Again. Okay, now let's verify this second PR that you did. Copilot. Five out of 6 changes. All right. Amazing. So we have received these two. Thank you for Quant for opening a PR. For that, I really appreciate it. Okay, where is this guy? I'm here. Nakul Kumar. Hi. RIM 500 means the server is down. Yes. Status in the line of 4 are used to for any error from the working server. Correct. Yes, you are right. 500 means server is down. That means it is basically not healthy. It's dead right now. It's not responding. You are correct. Here syntax error. No, syntax error. Syntax error means server is down basically, so it would not be 234 main statuses from the web application controller. Server down will never return 404. 40 means okay. 400 could be there in case of 404. Like is either handled by web framework which is used by the last route in the router. Sent another PR. What the hell is going on? Where is this guy? I'm here. Went to eat tikki marsala. Yes. Chicken tikka masala. Oh my god, yes it is. I sent 2. Yes. I opened issue to answer the db.rs question. Just wait. Issues. Attribute conquip. Just wait. What you're saying? In SRC you're attempting to create a connection without properly handling the pool creation. The current code uses R2D2 pool new. Dude, seriously, are you like using AI to do this? I mean, seriously, are we really will like diesel and diesel and R2D2? So you want me to add these as a dependency, but why? Nathan, hello Nathan. All right, let's see how it goes. Internal server error. We have a cookie, we have a response, row not found. Basically it's user not found. Now we have a different request. That is good. That's a success. Let's see on the storage if I can see a cookie. No cookie warning. So it says OKIJ will soon be rejected because it's a foreign and does not have partition attribute. Why I need a partition attribute? 5173. Partition is URL path. So I mean the path that I already did was this. It should be like correct, right? Path is this. I explained why in second comment. No, I'm asking why diesel. I'm using SQLX. I'm using SQLX and I'm using PG data pool. So why diesel and R2D2? Dude, I want some like human answer, not AI answers. So uh, anyways, what do you use for web? I'm using Actix Web. See, quant, that's what I say. AI could be dangerous because you don't know what you are doing, right? You are just posting some bogus things. You don't even know the context, what tools are being used. And though you are working on 3 other things, but you will surely spoil all the 3 things altogether. I'm damn sure about it. Now I can see. Antina. Thank you. Thank you, Antina. सैम टेक गुड जॉब, थैंक यू। सेल्फ लव, पूरा दिन कंप्यूटर में पड़े रहते हैं, बोर नहीं लगता आपको? नहीं, पूरा दिन नहीं पड़े थे सर। अभी तो 1 घंटा 45 मिनट इसको हो रहा है, उसमें भी बीच में ब्रेक ले लिया था, आप लोगों से बात हो जाती है। दैट्स इट। सो anyways, I think it's time now. It's already like 2:30 afternoon. Let's take some break. Do you guys have any questions, any suggestions? Let me post this thing on Git so that you guys can have a look. gut. What the hell? Let me push the front end as well. Why not use GraphQL for API related stuff? I didn't use it, that's it. I'm not saying do not use it. Use it if you like. Okay, so the code is on GitHub and feel free to check that out. Maybe if there is anything you find any issue or need to discuss, I'll be there on discussions tab. All right. Okay, so from tomorrow we will start a series on Rust. I will post a short videos like 15-20 minutes on a topic, right? Or I'll come live for like half an hour something to understand, so for a topic. So all right, from tomorrow it will be there. So maybe in between we can also do some projects as well in Rust, right? Maybe continue our Redis application. About laptop under 60k. Parth, you already came, like Aditya. Okay, it was Aditya who was asking about the laptop 6070. I will wait for your new content. Yes, sure. From tomorrow it will be. Can you give me some suggestion about laptop under 60k? Under 60k, you can go for. I mean, go in Amazon. You'll surely get it by 60k of dollars. No, Rim. It will be in INR. So Parth, you can I'm not sure what to say. Go for anyone. Go on Amazon and look for the browsing, the reviews. Maybe some YouTube. In YouTube, you can find someone who is reviewing all these. Select 2 or 3 things and just go for it. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Please increase your budget, you will get a better one. Where are you from? I am from Uttarakhand, Parth. Okay, guys, bye. I'll see you later. From tomorrow we will have a good stream on Rust. We'll start, and I'll try to keep that as simple as can, like using a real world examples and some code pieces. So we'll do that. Okay, but I want you to do something with it. You need to share that video with your friends, and you need to, if they want to learn Rust, then you need to share this video. Okay, bye. See you later, guys. enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye.